Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy cash on 8-ball pool. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on the cash icon in the top section of your screen. On this page, you can see certain amount of cash with certain amount of money. Now all you have to do is select how much cash you want. Let's say I wanna buy 2000 cash. Then I'll have to tap on the buy button of 2000 option. After that, a pop-up menu will appear where you'll have to tap on add credit or debit card option. Then you'll have to enter your card details and proceed. After that, enter the amount of money you'll have to pay. Then your account will be automatically added with 2000 cash. So that is how you can buy cash on 8-ball pool. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.